Hey guys, this is my Montreal hotel room. And just wait till I show you guys our view. Sweet. We are on the 8th floor, and it's the highest I've ever been, and I do not plan on ever getting any higher. Anyway, that's pretty much our hotel room. It's got a pretty good view. So, I'll see you later, guys.